Hi, today I want to talk about asparagus. Asparagus is one of my favorite vegetables, so I decided to plant it. And this vegetable is expensive when you buy it in the grocery store or when you go to a restaurant. Asparagus is a perennial plant that comes back year after year. So when you decided to plant your asparagus in your garden, you need to give it plenty of space to grow. Asparagus is also can live 20 to 30 years, so you can enjoy your asparagus for a long time. Asparagus, you need to dig a trench. A trench is 6 to 8 inches deep, and you put fertilizer. I sprinkled some fertilizer, and you need to make a mound in the middle like this. Okay, I already made a mound in the middle, and these are my asparagus crown. You can buy your asparagus crown in your local nursery store or in a big box store like Lowe's and Home Depot. If you can see this, it looks like octopus. And see the crown up there, the white stuff right there, it's coming. And these are the roots. It has a long roots. So what you need to do now is you have to separate the roots on both sides, and you have to put it on top of your mound like that. And the same thing with this one. Like that. And earlier I mixed compost and some organic fertilizer. I always use this fertilizer for all my vegetables. And yeah, and you just have to cover it like this. I'm watering my plants after planting. When to harvest asparagus? It will take several years for you to harvest asparagus. The reason for this is you want your plant to have a healthy root and to be established plants. And the second year, you can have 50% of harvest. You can harvest 50% of the spears, and the third year you can have full harvest from mid-April to June. And you have to leave some of the spears on the ground and let it grow. Once you let the foliage grow, it will turn into tall ferny plants. This is what our asparagus look like when you let it grow. That's asparagus. And the one that you harvest is this one. That's asparagus that we know that you buy in the store. Yep, that's the asparagus. And this is how it looks like. And there's another one that's coming out. And right there. As asparagus. These are asparagus flowers. This is about to open. It's about to open, and it will turn to fruit. The fruit is a small red berries. I just want to say that we have to be careful with asparagus fruit because it is toxic to humans. Once your asparagus turn yellow, that usually in fall, you just have to cut all the way to the ground right here and cover it with, put some fertilizer and cover it with mulch. And after that, you just have to wait till spring for your next harvest. I hope you like the content of this video, and I hope you learned something about asparagus. And if you do, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button.